Introducing the Snap-on TPMS5 Tire Pressure Sensor System Toolkit, a powerful and versatile tool you need to meet the demands of your customers' modern vehicles. TPMS5 can reset troublesome vehicles to ensure your customer's car's TPMS light is off. With the TPMS5, you're able to quickly and easily find and diagnose a faulty tire pressure sensor and if it needs to be replaced. Just select the vehicle's make and model from the menu. Hold the TPMS5 near each tire sensor to capture the sensor data and instantly diagnose the faulty sensor. In current model cars, even a basic tire rotation service requires a modern tire pressure sensor tool to allow the vehicle to relearn the location of each sending unit, and the TPMS5 is up to the task. The TPMS5 not only has an improved user interface, it can also make relearning tire pressure monitoring systems faster than before. The improved OBD2 relearns bypass manual steps to write sensor IDs and reset the vehicle to factory specifications. Featuring a full-color 5-inch LCD screen, bright enough to read even in direct sunlight. With an improved user interface, enhanced screen flow, and menu structure, navigation is easier than ever. The vehicle dashboard gives you all the vehicle options right on the screen, plus the sensor information is displayed all in one location. The TPMS5 is able to currently program a total of 26 aftermarket sensors to either create a new sensor ID or to clone an existing one. When the tool needs to be registered or updated, it does so easily via the TPMS5 software over Wi-Fi. Another great feature on the TPMS5 is the placard adjustment function on select vehicles. With this feature, you are able to readjust the tire pressure thresholds when installing a set of tires and wheels that require an ECU change. The TPMS5 is the go-to standalone tool for all your TPMS needs.